Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 4341-10. This is your 4-leaf, 1 3/4 inch wide slipper spring that's commonly found on 2K trailer axles. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number 4341-10. This is your 4-leaf, 1 3/4 inch wide slipper spring that's rated for 1,000 pound capacity, typically found on 2,000 pound trailer axles. And we'll measure it out real quick. So from center eye to end, it's going to be 24.5 inches long. It is 1 3/4 inches wide. Has a pretty good arch on him. So it looks like it's going to be 4 7/8 from bottom to bottom of the spring. It has 4 leaves on it. It's rated for 1,000 pounds per spring. So you have 2 springs to an axle. So 1,000 pounds times 2, or 1,000 plus 1,000 would be 2,000. Hence it's for a 2,000 pound trailer axle. It uses a 9/16 bolt like 4101-5W or the TPU 916-3. It has the nylon bushing already in it. These are pretty common on boat trailers especially. But if you need any of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.